Good morning students. Today we will discuss one example of exercise 7.2. So see children, exercise 7.2 question number 5. ABC and DBC are isosceles triangles on the same base BC. See the figure. Show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD and this figure is given to us. So see children, here in a given figure, this is triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC and it is isosceles triangle. So AB is equal to AC. And this is triangle BDC. This is triangle BDC. Triangle BDC is also isosceles triangle. So DB is equal to DC. And they have same base BC. They have same base BC. See, triangle ABC, its base is BC, and triangle DBC, its base is also BC. So see children, here in a given figure, triangle ABC and triangle DBC both have same base BC. And in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. And in triangle DBC, DB is equal to DC. Because both triangles ABC and DBC are isosceles triangle. And what we have to prove? So see children, we have to prove or we have to show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. So see children, this angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. These both angles are equal, that we have to prove. Now we will solve this question. Solution. So see children, angle ABC and angle DCB are adjacent angle. See, angle ABC means this angle and angle DBC means this angle. These both angles are adjacent angle. So, angle ABC and angle DBC both are adjacent angle. So, angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to what? Angle ABD. So, see children, angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to what? Angle ABD. So, see children, here angle ABC and angle DBC are adjacent angle. So angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ABD. Means this angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ABD. Now see children, also angle ACB and angle DCB are adjacent angle. Also this angle ACB and angle DCB both are adjacent angle. See, this ACB and angle DCB both are adjacent angle. So angle ACB plus angle DCB, their sum is what? Angle ACD. So see children, so angle ACB plus angle DCB is equal to angle ACD. Means angle ACD plus angle DCB is equal to what? Angle ACD. So here we prove two results. Angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ABD. Then angle ACB plus angle DCB is equal to angle ACD. Now see children, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is the triangle ABC and triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So here side AB and side AC both have same length. So see children, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So we can write angle ABC is equal to angle ACB because of theorem 7.2. What is theorem 7.2? Theorem 7.2 is equal sides, opposite angles are equal. And here AB is equal to AC. So see children, AB is equal to AC. So according to theorem 7.2, what is theorem 7.2? Equal sides, opposite angles are equal. So see, side AB, opposite angle is what? Angle ACB. Side AC, its opposite angle is what? Angle ABC. Means angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. So see children, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So we can write angle ABC is equal to angle ACB according to theorem 7.2. Theorem 7.2 is equal sides, opposite angles are equal. So AB side opposite angle is what? So side AB, its opposite angle what? Angle ACB. Side AC, its opposite angle what? Angle ABC. means angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. So angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, theorem 7.2, and it is equation 1. Now in triangle DBC, DB is equal to DC. In triangle DBC, here DB is equal to DC because triangle DBC is an isosceles triangle. So in triangle DBC, DB is equal to DC. So in triangle DBC, DB is equal to DC. So angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. So angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. Why angle DBC is equal to angle DCB? According to theorem 7.2. What is theorem 7.2? Theorem 7.2 is equal sides opposite angles are equal. So see children, here DC and DB both are equal side. So their opposite angle, angle DBC is equal to angle DCB according to theorem 7.2. So according to theorem 7.2, angle DBC is equal to angle DCB, and it is our equation 1. Now we will add equation 1 and equation 2. Means angle ABC is equal to angle ACB and angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. Both we add. So see children, equation 1, angle ABC. So angle ABC. In equation 2, angle DBC. So plus angle DBC. So equation 1, angle ABC plus angle DBC. Means angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to, then is equal to. Then equation 1, angle ACB. So angle ACB plus equation 2, angle DCB. So plus angle DCB. So from equation 1 and equation 2, means here we will add equation 1 and equation 2. Then we can get angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. Now see children, angle ABC plus angle DBC. Angle ABC plus angle DBC. So see here, angle ABC plus angle DBC. What we proved? Angle ABD. So instead of angle ABC plus angle DBC, we can write angle ABD is equal to, then is equal to. Now angle ACB plus angle DCB. So see children, this angle ACB plus angle DCB is equal to angle ACD. So instead of angle ACB plus angle DCB, we can write angle ACD. So see children, angle ABC plus angle DCB is equal to angle ABD is equal to, then is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB is equal to angle ACD. Means final answer is angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. And see, we proved here angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. So final answer is angle ABD is equal to angle ACD, that we proved. So see children, this is the explanation of exercise 7.2 question number 5. I hope you can understand this. Thank you.